پدې خاوره شهادت د پښتنو دی، پدې خاوره شهادت د پښتنو دی، او دا نور خلک به هم ځي خو جنت د پښتنو دی. او ډېر ډېر غټ غټ خامران مې د خوراک په تکل ګرځي، ډېر غټ غټ خامران مې د خوراک په تکل ګرځي، او الله کړې په خپل حفاظت د پښتنو دی. سو मैं उम्मीद करता हूँ कि आप लोगों ने इस शहर से कुछ हासिल किया होगा। आप लोग जुड़े रहे, हम अगले साल पद नहीं होंगे नहीं होंगे, लेकिन हम पीटी साहब का शुक्रिया अदा करते हैं कि स्पोर्ट्स वीक में हर टीम को खेलने या हारने वाले दोनों टीमों को गंडेरा का दड़ी दिया है। Oh yes, I am going to check it whether it is the eating material or not. So please. Oh my God! Check the ground whether it is ready for the game or not. So I am going to check it. Oh yes. Oh, the pitch is so well. There is no moisturization to slip the players in the playing time. So the pitch is ready now, and the situation is looking well. So it is the sky. If you look toward the sky is totally open and clear. There is no cloud, I see. Oh yes, there is no cloud. So the match will be played now, just now. So players should be prepared to come to the match, because the weather situation is clear. Nothing is dangerous here. So I am going to check the another part of the pitch. So I am. Oh yes. Atanar tawala kawajid mota. Lela kawa. Warkaya. The winner captain. Oh yes, the winner captain. Oh, in that, in mood, because he is the player of football also, playing game well and dressing well. So I am going to check the pitch again, whether the moisturization affect the pitch or not. So I am going to try it. Oh, the pitch is totally well. From here to there, nothing is dangerous to slip the players during the play time. So we are requesting from Sir Jamil Nizami to start the play now, because the crowd, the spectators are there to watch the big match between 10th A and B. So the request of Maazullah, Maaz, where is the Maaz? Maaz, come! Maaz! Maaz! अच्छा, माशाल्लाह मैच बहुत खूबसूरत तरीके से जारी है। दोनों टीमों के दरमियान अच्छा और चल रहा है, और माहौल भी अच्छा खासा है। आज मौसम बहुत ज़बरदस्त है, बादल भी आसमान पर नहीं है, तो कोई किसी किस्म का खतरा नहीं है कि बारिश हो जाएगी, मैच रुक जाएगा। You can enjoy the match without any confusion, because there is no problem. The sky is clear and nothing is memorable. मैं अभी कमेंट्री को कंटिन्यू रखने के लिए फरहान साहब को देने जा रहा हूँ, क्योंकि I am not the commentator of football, I am the commentator of cricket. So when time the situation of pitch next time, that is why I prefer to bat fast.
In what have you predicted your score in your mind that you can score on this weekend?
I have predicted a 100 target for opponent team. So I will try my best to chase, to score this score and defeat my opponent.
You have seen that swings and playing a role here. So have you have a new fast bowler which can swing the ball in both ways, the left arm fast bowler?
Yes, of course I have some tricky bowler which can bounce the ball in 360 degrees from one angle to another angle, and the pitch is little bit in spin motion, and the pitch is all toward the spin side, because when the spin is put on the ground, the bounce is becomes so difficult for the players to play.
And last question, do you think that Tariq, the addition of Tariq to their side can make a difference?
Yes, of course, it's a big barrier for us to cope with them, but inshallah we will try our best to facilitate and defeat them with Tariq also.
Okay, thank you.
Tariq से पूछो।
Thank you. Religion has nothing to do with law, but in Pashto we say, Usan da mazhab la taqado sarakar ne sati dir musalmanani pa hindwanu main wanda. So we checked about here and there the ground we will very good because no one problem from the players between 10 and P. I checked these things because he's not coming the stage. Tell me what about today? The match will be good. Yes, the match will be good and well because the team of the both teams are well captain are there, well situation are there, and the crowd is waiting. The crowd is waiting to win the match by team one because no one can win the match between two players. Doesn't happen. It doesn't happen that both teams win the match at same time. It is impossible. It is not the part of game. So, which one is team is very good player? I think if I check the experience of both teams, I think the teams, second, and the player of number 4 is so well. Looking at the stamina of both teams, wearing a white shoe, the player of 4 well is very shabby baby now. Who will tell me the player of number